Hey folks, Robert here with more Revit training. I'm continuing on with this project I'm working on here, just the front, and we've got some furnishings and everything going, and we did our floor. So today I have some time doing the ceiling because of the height, so I'm going to run through this right quick, show you how we'll do the ceiling and place light fixtures in this model I'm creating. We're just concentrating on the front area here. So I'm going to go to my level 1 ceiling plan here in the project browser. And there we go. We're in our ceiling now. So at this point, we want to go to our ceiling. Okay. On my architecture tab, go to ceiling. And here, now normally this defaults at 8 feet. I'm putting it at 10 feet because this is a higher ceiling. And you know, normally you got a little issues when you change this. Okay, so I'm gonna go use the automatic ceiling and just go click, 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 click. Now these are all at 10 feet. Okay, I did it twice, so you'll get that message, so I'll just undo that last one. Oh, I did it again. Let me delete one of these out. Sorry, folks. Okay. So now let's go look in this section view I cut to make sure this shows where we are here. So this is going to be our ceiling, and our ceiling is at 10 feet because that 11 feet is the beginning of the level 2. So now let's go back into our ceiling drawing. It's going to be this one with the 3 little icons on it. Oh, no, it's not. It's going to be, nope, that's my furniture. Sorry. There's the ceiling. Yeah, let's get that little icon on it. So now let's go in and place some light fixtures here. And this is where it gets kind of tricky. So I'm going to go and say, insert. I'll go to Systems tab, and I'm going to just do some simple recessed lights. So I'm going to do these 6-inch. No, let's make them 8. Okay, and then now good. Now you can see that we can get a place from here because sometimes you can't. They'll disappear, and I'll tell you why. So let's just place one here. Get one over there. I don't know how many we get in here. Get in there. Now the guidelines are helpful. They kind of help you line things up like so. We'll maybe get 6 in here. Or maybe let's do 8 in here, I guess. And then, you know, let's just do this. Just cheat here a little bit. I'm going to make these. Let's give them a distance here. So I'll use my dimension, and I'll go from here to the wall. That's 5 feet. We can make this, let's make it 4. And we'll do the same thing over here. Excuse me. Make this 4 feet from here. Got a little closer, just grab it, change the dimension to 4. Okay, and then I want to do something like this. Maybe 2 more in the middle. Yeah, let's go with 2 more in the middle. This area is probably going to be brightly lit. So I'm going to go back to my lighting fixture and I'll place it. Now, before I did that, I made a mistake here. I'm going to go back because I'm going to look at this in 3D. Oh, I think they placed them right. Let's go to our section view. No, see, that's not placed right. So what I'm going to do, sorry about this, I'm going to go back to the ceiling view, and I'm going to undo it back, I guess. That'll be the easiest way to do it. So I'm just going to undo these. Would have been easier to just, so I'm going to say this fixture here, I'm going to leave it at 4 feet. I'm going to make this at 4 from the wall. Grab this guy's call this 4 feet. Okay, now if I go back into that section view, if I pick it up, yep. As you can see, this is not recessed. So you just select this guy and hit the flip arrow, and there it reflects. It flips over to where you need to see. I don't know why that does that, but it's better to get that out of the way before you put them all in. You have to change them all. So let's go back to the ceiling. Now we can copy this guy over here. I'm gonna just go copy this here, copy that. So I'm gonna lay these out. Goodness gracious, what's going on here? Oh boy, I'm gonna line these together going this way. So I'm gonna grab this line here. Okay, my bad. There's a guideline, and just make this 4 feet. Then we want to probably get 2 more here. Actually, let's just do 2 here, 1 there. Then we can do this, use our dimensions tool, because it's very powerful. We can go from here to here to there and to there, and we go here. We could just make all these equal distance here. Okay, now we got those in, and we can just remove that. We don't need that anymore. And then I'm gonna just copy these. So actually I could just select these. I only have these. Select all. It's just in view. And I want to copy these guys. I don't know. Let's see. Copy them. Let's go with let's go 5 feet. I mean, it's going to be diametric anyway. These guys tend to just go in here and lay these things out, however they fit them in. Okay, so there's that area. And we could just bring these circles right on across to this room. Let's say this do 4, so I'm going to just grab, I'm going to turn this off. There. Turn that guy off, and we can just select these lights and put them here. Go one there, some there, there. So these rooms are pretty typical. One in that office. Now here we might have to do a little something different because it's a larger room and it's actually a beauty salon. Beauty salon, folks. I'm going to move these up here. Just space bar them up and over. Get them lined up with that, and then maybe 1 more row of lights here. Copy that. This is a bathroom here, so we might just do 2 there. So that's how you do the ceiling. So let's go look in our 3D view here. So we got our light fixtures in here now. And that's how you get that done. Basically, like I said, it get kind of tricky. You got to watch and see what you're doing. And then, like I said, normally with the changing of the height, you have to go in and do some things. So let's go look in this floor plan view, level 1. And let's just do a screenshot or an image of this floor layout and see how it's coming along. So I'm going to do a camera right here. Just from the entry and look that way. Okay, and then we can adjust these guys. So anyway, folks, there, I just wanted to show you how to get the lights going. I'm going to finish this up. Yeah, so we got our recessed lights and everything going there, and we'll put this in fine view, make it consistent colors. Okay. So hey folks, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. He makes videos like this every day, and we're moving along with this little project. I'm going to send it to my client and see if he likes this layout. And then we probably would need to do something like this for another view. Go to floor plans, and I'm going to go to floor plan level 1. Level 1 here. Actually, Yeah, that's fine. And then we're gonna go home view and rotate that around. So here you go. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, please subscribe. You got a little barbershop here, office there, accountant, little architect's office or draftsman room. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this. Everybody be safe and bye.